I think my food's coming. Good morning. So, today, doing something a little different. It might not be different. But anyways, I did my grocery shopping online. So, I'm going to pick up one for 9 o'clock. It is now 9:05. And the other one is being delivered for 12. So in the process of all of this, I'm going to be picking up my groceries, unpacking, cleaning, also cleaning my fridge because it is a mess and it's also very empty. So before I add fresh new things into it, I'm going to clean it out. So this is going to be the premise of the entire video. Oh yeah, welcome back. But that's it. It's a very, very nice day out. So you'll probably get to see scenes on the road, I believe. Hopefully there isn't traffic, so you don't hear me complain about traffic. Okay? But anyways, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because you never know what you're gonna get. Alright? So let's get this day started. I am here, okay? I am not mad at this PC pickup. I do, however, love doing my own grocery shopping. Like, I love, I do love touching my fruits and vegetables, as in turning them over and seeing which ones are good, especially the ones in the packages. But I'm here for a PC Express pickup, and the last time I did it, my vegetables were just glorious. So hopefully this time they're glorious again. So I just called them, so I'm just waiting for them to come. That's it. I spent on this trip, this one, I spent $99. No, $100. And the other supermarket, I spent $93. Something like that. They didn't have one item, I believe, here, because I got the email. But I'll send you a little snapshot of what I purchased and the prices, because, okay, our food's expensive. Like, our food here in Canada, expensive. I don't care what nobody says. It's expensive. Like, $200 does not get you a lot of food. I'm just saying. And I don't necessarily buy brand name items. Sometimes I buy store brand. It's still expensive. I don't really care. But I will say that when we do have a sale, we have a good sale. Like, I'm not gonna lie. But it also too depends on the supermarket that you shop and stuff like that. So I like Superstore is not bad. Metro is expensive, super expensive. But they have some of the things that I want. Do you see what I'm saying? If this was pre-COVID world, I'd probably do my grocery shopping split between about 4 different supermarkets, just because they each have something that I want, you know? But I settle. I get good quality stuff and I settle. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait for them to come, and then... Why are you looking at... Why do people stare? It's because I'm talking to myself. Like, why? I'm not talking to myself. Like, why do people stare? Oh my god. But they said they had one more person in front of me. I'm here for 9 o'clock. It's 9:15 now. Well, 9:17. So I'm just going to wait until they come. And then we'll head back home. Start cleaning the fridge. And wait for the other delivery. And then I'll possibly make myself something to eat in this video. Probably a pizza. The reason why I say probably is because I know I'm gonna have a pizza. I'll probably make that for lunch or dinner. No, lunch, not dinner. And that would be a part of this video. I don't know, I'm just trying something different. I really hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah, subscribe and like. Please and thank you. Oh gosh. Anyways, I'll see you in a sec. I think my food's coming. I think it's mine. Is it mine? Is it mine? Yes, it's mine. It better be. My always says it's mine. It's a mine. Yeah. Thank you. It's mine. And my trunk is clean, so okay. Alrighty, so we got the food. I'm so hungry now. Isn't it funny that as soon as you buy groceries, all of a sudden you want to eat? But am I the only one that does not want to cook after I buy groceries? Anyways, they're gonna unload, and too bad I can't give them a tip. Really too bad I can't give them a tip, to be honest. That would suck. Because there isn't a place, but they no, they don't charge for pickup. I don't know. There wasn't a section to give a tip. Thank you. She didn't close the trunk. The last girl closed the trunk. All right, so we're headed home. I just moved the eggs. I got eggs. I moved the eggs from... I'm such a terrible driver. I'm really not. Oh god. Oh my god, where am I going? Oh, I'm definitely a terrible driver. I missed the road because they have the road looking like a parking spot. So stupid. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm really not a terrible driver. I'm really good. No, I'm good. I just moved the eggs from the back to the front. Ooh, keys. 2 of them. Because something about eggs being tender, fragile. Oh my god. Oh lord. Gas is 105. Can you imagine? When I went into isolation, gas was 70 something cents. Teeth. Anyways, we're gonna head back on the road, and well, we're already on the road, but we're gonna head back home and then start the process and wait for my other delivery. Yeah. Is everything that I got. I'm gonna take them out now before I go on the ground. Okay, so I'm pretty much done cleaning out my fridge. I'm going to sort out the stuff that I took out to put back in, make sure they're clean, and then I'm going to show you my grocery haul. Now, I just want to show you a few things that are in my fridge because there's some things that are there that I made and then some things my aunt made, so I'll show you. Growing up, my aunt, she still does it. I believe she's like in her 80s, almost 90, and this is raspberry jam. Is it a jam? Oh my gosh, I forgot what it. Yeah, it's raspberry jam, but it's not the jam that. Nope, raspberry stew. Listen, oh my gosh, I call everything a jam, but it's pretty much a stew. So she stewed down some raspberries that we had. She had a big giant tree in her yard, and she made it. Some she makes with alcohol, some are non-alcoholic. They're not open, so I'm not sure which ones they are, but I just wanted to show you. And I made these. This one is tomato chutney. Made that one. And then I made this one, strawberry jam. But I really wanted to show you this one. I'm so proud of her. She's been making these things all my life, and by all my life I mean my entire life. She makes guava jam, tamarind stew. So basically this is every single thing that I took out of my fridge just to show you. And now we're gonna chuck some things and put some things up. This, my babies, it's not Concord. What we have in here is sorrel from last Christmas. It is still in the fridge. It's fermented. It's really delicious. I just haven't had any in a long time. This is my mama's drink, right? Yeah. So this is everything that I just bought online. So I got some fish. This is the basa and salmon. There's also some salmon here. And you know, just the usual stuff. I gotta have my sweet potatoes. So this is the Jamaican sweet potato, or a Caribbean sweet potato. And I think they put this one in by accident. This is an Oriental sweet potato. Not quite as sweet as this one, but just as yummy. Got myself some cheese. I got some American sweet potato. That's the yellow stuff. And this is a must. Must. I don't care about the brand, but I have to get my cauliflower crust. It's the closest thing to an actual pizza dough for me, so I'm not mad at it. And just so that you see, this is the nutritional facts. And here are the ingredients. Might have some things that you might not like, but I love it. And I got myself some potatoes, some green beans, got my clementines, my pizza sauce because I didn't want to make it myself. Oh my gosh, like how beautiful are these lemons? I'm telling you, I'm gonna buy all my produce from this one supermarket. And my fave. Delicious. Some broccoli, some Caesar dressing, spinach. Oh my gosh. How beautiful are these? And it's grown in Canada. Bam! And I got some strawberries. I don't think, oh, this is BC. This is grown in Canada too. Okay. And I got some strawberries, and this is the product of the USA, but that's okay. They're delicious nonetheless. And I got myself a 30-pack egg and some cream. And this is my grocery haul. I also forgot my 2 cases of water. So I'm so excited because now I have a little food in my house. Oh my gosh, one of the strawberries is rotten. Oh my god, one of the strawberries is rotten. You see why I like going grocery shopping myself? I just saw it. Like, oh, like. I'm not happy about that. What I'm gonna say is now I'm gonna cleanse. Clearly I have to do something with the strawberries. I'm gonna just wipe down some stuff, put them away, and then the things that I need to wash, like my fruits and vegetables, I'm gonna wash and then stack them away. And then that's it. But you'll see the process. You know, it's a little long today, but it's okay. We having fun. So that's it for my grocery haul. As promised, I am making myself something to eat, y'all. But anyways, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I was trying something different. It's a day in my life, grocery shopping / cleaning. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends, tell your family. And I'll see you back here for the next one.